Sorry about all the noise. We're real busy here in the Moose shop. Lunchtime. Have a good lunch, fellas. Alright. So what we're working on in here today is I'm trying to square up some of this olive wood. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the lathe and make a knife out of it. A wooden knife. Off-center it a little bit. So should be able to show you a few tricks here. So ended up being kind of cool. You like my shirt? A glimpse inside. My buddy from Chris from Florida, he sent this to me. He's a great guy. He's got a great channel. You got to check it out. I'm going to put a link below. All right? Let's get busy here in the Moose shop. Alright, so then what you need to do, since the grain is running this way, most of it anyways, you need to make your 3/8 holes perpendicular to that, which would be like that. And I'll mark those off, and then we'll punch those and put it in the lathe. First we'll mount it in the centers. Mount it off. Okay, so we're going to leave it in the center still, and we're going to make the handle first. I'm going to mark off about 4.5 inches for the handle, and then the rest of this will be blade. I'm going to sand this handle real quick, just because it's stronger right now, and who knows what's going to happen down here. And once you got your blades portion shaped like a cone, we'll mark centers opposite sides of the two offset holes you made. So at 3 and 9, then you mark the top and draw a line in the center so that you'll know where your sharp point of the blade is in half right here. Right now we got our center lines. What we're going to do is we're going to take it and move it over to one of the offset holes. We're going to be ghost turning now. So what's going to happen is there's going to be like a shadow as this thing's turning really fast. And I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but hopefully you'll see it. And we'll do one side a little bit at a time and then flip it to the next hole and do that side. And gradually we'll come to a blade point. See, so what it's doing is it's cutting only one side. Now we'll flip it the other side. Alright, so I got this so close now it's not going to be able to spin anymore, so I'll have to sand down the rest by hand because it's going to bust off here. Cut this off with a saw and then finish it off by hand. Yeah, it's kind of cool, the knife. It turned out okay. I would rather have had it a little bit thinner here in the base of the blade, but as you saw, that the tip of it got a little fragile on me. So I had to sort of call it quits and finish it off by sanding. But as you're doing it, just remember to do your little offsets right here on the blade side so it wobbles, and you'll get yourself a chance to do some ghost turning, which is kind of cool. Yeah, and this olive wood is just, I love this stuff. It's awesome, and it's easy to work with. It looks really nice. So yeah, give it a shot. Change up whatever you want. You know, change your handle, change the length of the blade. But it's a fun little project to give it a go at. Don't forget my buddy Glimpse Inside. Check him out. Link below. If you haven't subscribed here yet, please do so. Smash that like button. Notifications, share, do it all. I'll see you soon. Ow!